And hi folks, and try to pull this one out. I pre-pulled it out. This is Zippo lighter, and we're going to take some lighter fluid. This is totally dry. See, no spark. Don't overfill it. Easy as pie. Okay? Not rocket science. Go check out Cold War Prepper. He explains this. And things. Now you can buy the kit. Comes with fluid and flints and everything else. You could use this one. If you live in a tropical country, I do recommend a band to keep it shut. Okay? It does help. And it won't flip out the top or leak out. I use these for years. Simple, easy. You could do any kind of, I use charcoal lighter, unleaded gasoline, turpentine and kerosene in these things, and they work. Let's see you do that with a butane lighter. Okay, folks, I'll be seeing you, and you have a nice day now. I am busy. It's December, and I'm running around. Okay, I got bills to pay. I'm arguing with the electric company. We're a church. Old people gets cold and they tend to die. This is why I'm arguing all the time. We should have backup power, air conditioners, heaters off the grid, because I can't trust nobody from 2023 to 2026, because there's a lot of Democrats out there. And I'll be seeing you. And you have a nice day. Do something nice for your family and neighbors. Help them out. Work at the food bank. Donate canned foods. Help your neighbors. Everybody plant a garden. And I'll be seeing you. Bye now.